What's up, guys? So Maggie and I just came back from the gym, and right now I'm gonna make a post-workout meal. So usually, typically, I would have like a post-workout shake. However, I'm deep into my contest prep right now, so what I'm gonna do today is make a MTS ice cream sandwich sludge. So I already weighed out my carbs for this sludge, so you can add in a lot of things. If you're dieting, you could just make it with frozen berries, which is 1 serving right here. But since I already spaced out my carbohydrates, this is 3 servings of Cheerios, so it's about, I would say, maybe like roughly 50 to 60 carbs. So I'm gonna open this. You can do this with any protein, but it's pretty good with the MTS way. So here we go. 2 scoops. That's it, 2 scoops. And you can use almond milk, but since I'm just making a sludge, I already poured some water out. So again, with this is very tricky. You want to add just a little water. You can always add a little bit more, right? So you don't want to add too much, and you want to just mix it. You know, kind of like a cake batter almost, like a sludge consistency. So I can add a little bit more. Right, there we go. There we go. See? So since I have this much Cheerios, usually I like it to be very sticky, but since I have this much toppings, I'm gonna try to make it a little bit more watery, just a little bit thicker, so I can like just mix in the Cheerios and also the frozen berries. Just gonna mix some more, right? So usually when I would make this, I wouldn't, if it's just frozen berries, I don't make it this runny, so it's a little bit thicker. But if it's too thick, the 3 servings of Cheerios will pretty much overflow the sludge, and I won't be able to eat any of the sludge because it'll be very thick. So let me just mix it up just a little bit more. Make sure you have all the powders. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll throw a little Cheerios in. See how I can make like a chocolate consistency? Throw the berries in. Just mix it up a little bit. And that's it. And you will have a very tasty sludge Cheerios post-workout meal. You can make this with pretty much anything, any cereal of choice, any topping. You don't have to use cereals. You can just use berries. You can use ice cream. You can use many things, but I'm in the mood for Cheerios, so this is what I'm going to be eating it with. Alright, guys. So this is going to be very sweet. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.